Hi everyone, welcome back. Now today's video is shot a little unusually, as you can already tell. I was just sitting and writing a script for my next week's DIY skincare routine, wherein I suddenly discovered a eye serum. It's a DIY remedy which is very easy and super effective. Now, as we all know that the under eye skin is the most delicate part on our facial skin, and we really need to take good care for it, a bit extra. Because it's prone to puffiness, darkening, pigmentation, and wrinkles. So we really need to take care of it. And I'm someone who doesn't really like putting cucumbers or potatoes and just laying on the bed. I'm someone who would be more interested in DIY serums for under eye or creams. So here is one. It's a super amazing DIY. So I have a couple of ingredients in front of me. So I'll just quickly show you how to make this DIY. For this DIY serum, you would need coconut oil, almond oil, and vitamin E capsules. So I'll take 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, 1.5 teaspoons of almond oil, and just pinching 1 vitamin E capsule. I'll just mix everything in and I'll keep it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. And once I'll take it out, you will see that it has become like a balm. So this is the eye cream. Now it has completely solidified. It's become like a balm right now because it's the winters in India, so that's why, because of the coconut oil in it. And if in summers it'll become like a oil, so that's also fine completely. So I'm just gonna take my ring finger. Now, yeah, very important thing, it's a fun fact, always apply the eye cream or eye products using the ring finger, because this is the most like the softest touch on in our fingers. If you use the middle finger or the index finger, that's going to put a lot of pressure on your delicate skin under the eye. So just use your ring finger, taking just a little bit and just kind of massaging it. You can also apply it on the eyelids, because sometimes the eyelids also tend to be a little darker. And on the other side as well. You just need a little bit, and apply this every night before bedtime and just sleep it off, and I'm sure you're going to see results really soon. Vitamin E actually helps in reducing the pigmentation, and coconut oil is generally very moisturizing for the skin, and almond oil also helps in getting rid of the darkness and the under eye puffiness, and it's really good for wrinkles as well. In fact, the ingredients that I've used in this DIY serum are the ingredients which can be used for the anti-aging cream. So this product can actually be used as an anti-aging cream as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you very soon.